Hi guys! Magluto tayo ngayon ng liempo, ating i-fry with butter. First, we have to put salt, then black pepper, and paprika, and then i-rub natin para sumusuot ang mga seasoning. I-rub natin at baliktarin. Yan, lagyan ng paprika. I-rub natin ulit, baliktarin. Tapos lagyan ulit ng salt, paprika at black pepper. Yan. Let's cook this in slow fire. Lagyan natin ng butter. And then oil, konti lang. Then baliktarin natin para hindi ma-overcook yung sa kabila. At still juicy pa rin. Nilagay ko na rin yung slice ng fish. While magprito tayo, gawa tayo ng cucumber salad. Let's slice this into pieces. Manipis lang. Napaka-fresh nitong cucumber natin. Let's put it in a bowl. Then, lagyan natin ng salt, pepper, at konting sugar. Konti lang. And then, apple cider. Mga 3 tablespoons. And honey. Ilagay natin sa ref para chill natin. Para mas lalong crunchy. At ito na ating finished product. Napaka-juicy, succulent ang ating fried belly with sotanghon soup. Let's eat! Looks delicious. And the soup is so comforting. I love it. Thank you for watching, guys.